ipromenade yaziwa kakhulu ngobunewunewu, ithandwa ngabakhenkethi balapha ekhaya naphesheya kwelwandle. Abahlali balapha ngoku bathi abonwabanga lolwaphulo mthetho.
Today we're making a strong stance that our most vulnerable, being our ladies, our elderly and our children, need to be protected, especially in public space.
We are looking at how we can reintroduce respect for the humanity amongst all the people so that we can be safe, our children can be safe and the elderly can be safe to be able to go out and have the freedom.
Phakathi kwabo ngabo bebengamaxhoba.
Lived here for 8 years. I walk every morning, and Saturday morning at 9 a.m. I came walking down Main Road where a homeless man in a state of rage attacked me from the back and then beat me and threw me into the middle of the road.
So my name is Jason. I'm the son of Gail, a recent resident to Sea Point who was mugged not more than a month after living in Sea Point. She was walking back from a doctor's appointment and was attacked by 3 teenagers who assaulted her and stole some jewelry from her.
Isixeko sithi songeze izixhobo zokulwa nolwaphulo mthetho kummandla wase-Seaboard neziphaluka. Kodwa batsho besithi izixhobo zabo azonelanga kuyaphi.
With thousands of officers, equipment like our quad bikes out on the beach, our horses out on the beach, our boats and jet skis, helicopters, we are rolling out everything we possibly can to keep you safer in public spaces and on beaches this summer.
Isixeko siceba ukusiphula neengcambu intselo esidlangalaleni. Bacela abahlali baqaphele apho bahamba khona. Thule Joga, kwindaba ze-SABC eSeaboard.